Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can activate Rocket theme on Instagram. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and you need to search for the Instagram. Once you search, you simply need to click on that and you need to click on update and you need to update your Instagram application. Once you done that, you need to go back and you simply need to open Instagram application. So once you open, click on the messenger icon on the top right. So once you are here, you simply need to select any conversation and click on the person name, click on theme. Once you are here, you simply need to scroll down and in the bottom you can find here rocket. Select that, wait for few seconds, and after that rocket theme will be activated for this conversation. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.